Pre-intermediate 2. The cultural significance of traditional festivals. Traditional festivals play a vital role in preserving the history and identity of a nation. These events are not just about having fun. They're a bridge between the past and the present. Every culture has its own unique celebrations, which often include traditional music, costumes, and specific types of food. For example, during the Lunar New Year in many Asian countries, families gather to share a special meal and give red envelopes containing money to children. These rituals have been passed down through generations, and they help young people understand their roots. In a rapidly globalizing world, some people worry that traditional festivals might lose their importance. Since many young people are more interested in international pop culture, they may forget the traditions of their ancestors. However, I believe that festivals are becoming even more important today because they provide a sense of belonging. In our busy modern lives, these celebrations offer a rare opportunity for people to stop working and spend quality time with their relatives and neighbors. Moreover, festivals attract tourists from all over the world, which helps to promote cultural exchange and understanding. By celebrating our traditions, we not only honor our history, but also strengthen the social bonds that hold our communities together.